So if you've ever wanted to build something online but felt stuck because you didn't know how to show up, or you didn't feel confident on camera, or you didn't know what to post, when to post, or how people were actually making money online, this video is for you. Today, I want to share one of my favorite digital programs I've come across, Selling with Confidence 2.0, also known as SWC 2.0, and why I genuinely believe it gives people a strong, realistic foundation to grow online, even if you're starting from zero. This is not a hype. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. This is about confidence, structure, support, and building real digital assets. I've tried a lot of courses, and I've been in programs that were overwhelming, confusing, promised a lot without real support. What stood about this one to me is about SWC 2.0 is that it doesn't assume you already know everything. It doesn't pressure you to be someone you're not. Rather, you want to show your face or stay faceless. You can go live, ease with confidence. Whether you're brand new or starting again, this program meets you where you are. At its core, Selling with Confidence 2.0 teaches you how to build confidence first, because confidence affects everything. How you show up, how you communicate, how you sell, and how consistent are you. This program is designed to help you build that confidence before trying to scale or monetize. One thing I love is that this program does not force you to be on camera, but what you will learn is how to create content faceless, how to show up confidently on camera, and how to transition between the two if you want. If you're shy, private, or just not ready yet, you're not blocked from moving forward. SWC 2.0 teaches you how to go live on TikTok, how to show up on Instagram, a clear IG blueprint, how to grow without guessing, and this isn't just theory. You're shown how to actually do it in real time. Now, this is where SWC 2.0 really stands out. You're not just handed videos and left alone. You get a calendar of meetings, ongoing live support, training calls, community guidance, a place to ask questions and grow with others. That structure alone removes so much overwhelming. You're not wondering, what should I do today? Am I doing this right? Why isn't this working? You're guided. Another thing I appreciate is that this program teaches you how to start creating digital assets. Not just content for views, but assets, skills, systems, knowledge you can reuse, and things that compound over time. This is how you move from consuming content to actually building something that lasts. SWC 2.0 also introduces you to UGC opportunities, which is huge. If you like creating content, you want to work with brands, want flexible income options, you're learning skills that are usable for beyond just one platform or offer. So as a bonus, you also get access to Income Stream Society, which on its own is valued around 300 plus. This adds more education, more exposure to different income models, more long-term goals, growth tools. This bonus alone adds a lot of value for anyone serious about building online. I want to be very clear and transparent here. Yes, you can turn around and sell this program if you choose to, and that means you can recoup your investment. You can earn while you learn. You're not required to build your own product first, but what I appreciate is that this isn't pushed in a hypey way. You're taught how to do it ethically, calmly, and with confidence. So here's my honest take. This program gives you more value than many higher priced courses I've tried because it focuses on confidence first. It gives you structure, not chaos. It offers ongoing support. It works for beginners. It doesn't pressure you to be loud or aggressive. It's realistic, it's supportive, and it's sustainable. So this is for you if you want to build an online income ethically, you want structure and support, you're tired of guessing, or you want confidence before scaling. You want a real skill, not just motivation. This is not for you if you want instant results. you don't want to learn, or you're looking for shortcuts. So if you're serious about building something online and you want a strong foundation, real support, and confidence that grows with you, Selling with Confidence 2.0 is absolutely worth considering. It's one of the few programs I feel comfortable recommending because it actually helps people grow, not just buy. So I'll leave the details below so you can look through it yourself. Take your time and decide if it's right for you. No pressure, no confusion, just clarity. If you have questions, drop them in the comments or message me directly. I'm happy to share my honest experience. And if you found this helpful, feel free to save or share it with someone who's been thinking about starting something online this year.